Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to do a nozzle check or test page on an Epson XP-442. Now this is pretty simple, it can be done from the machine itself using nothing but the control panel you can see here. If you're not already on the home screen of the printer, you want to press this button on the left to be returned here. So we're going to move ourselves along to the right using these arrows until we get to setup, which is indicated by a screwdriver and a spanner, as you can see here. So we press OK to go in. We go down one to maintenance, press OK, and the nozzle check is the very first option. So press OK to go into this. Obviously make sure you've got paper in there. Press the little diamond with the line in it to start. This will take just a second. And eventually your printer will spit out a page that looks like this. And what you've got here is a breakdown of the black, cyan, magenta and yellow that your printer uses, and it's used this little gate pattern to both show the presence of the colours, so if any of those blocks are missing you've got quite a severe blockage of that portion of the print head, or here you can see there's lines missing which would normally appear on your prints as just lines running across the length of the page, causing kind of minor print quality issues but still stuff that's very noticeable as it repeats down the page. So, from here you can either finish nozzle check, if you've got a better looking print than I have, or go into the head cleaning, which uses a little bit of ink from the printer but pushes it to the printer's print head to try and dislodge any ink that's dried or congealed along the print head and is causing print quality issues like those shown on the page. So I'd recommend going into that if you've got something that looks even slightly like mine, and you can just go in circles doing test pages and cleaning cycles until you've noticed an improvement in your print quality. But that's all there is to see here really. If you found this video useful, please do let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, please do let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.